I did, I have done, I have been doing. Do you know the difference? Let's understand. I did. It is used for an action that is completed at a specific time in the past. It's simple past tense. Yesterday, I did my homework. The homework is done. It's over. It has no connection to my present. I have done. It's not important to know when the task was done, but it has a relevance to my present. I have done my homework. It's important that I have completed it, but when I have done it doesn't matter. I have been doing something that was started in the past and has continued till the present. I have been doing my homework for 2 hours. Which tense is this sentence in? Let me know in the comments.